Hello everyone and welcome to the Trick or Treat Packaging Ideas YouTube Hub hosted by Sandra and myself. So in this YouTube Hub, we decided to come up with cute packaging ideas, how to package up candy, not necessarily for trick-or-treaters, but it can be for your coworkers, for teachers, for your staff, pretty much for anyone. It's not something that I will create for trick-or-treaters because that would require a lot of crafting and a lot of repetition, and I don't like doing that. So I have two different packaging ideas that I'm going to share with you in a bit. But before I share those projects with you, just want to go over the rules just really quickly. But you can always check the description box for all of the rules. So just like any other hub, if you want to be eligible for the giveaways, you must be a subscriber to all of the channels. You must comment on all of the videos, and likes are appreciated. At this very point, I don't know if every single channel is going to be having a giveaway, but as of Sandra and I, we both will be doing giveaways. You're going to have to watch their videos to see if they have any additional rules to their giveaway. Okay, so let me start off with my first project. So here's my first project. Now, I use these treat bags that I got from Hobby Lobby. These are normally known at Michael's as pretzel bags, but at Hobby Lobby they are known as treat bags. And they are long and skinny, as you can see. And I just added these chocolates. I thought they were super cute. Those faces. These are just milk chocolates from Dollar Tree. Something very simple, you guys. Now, this collection is a download from Polkadoodles. It is called Winnie Wednesday Halloween Bundle Collection. It comes with the different pattern papers, with the different girls, some sentiments, which as you can see, I don't have space to add a sentiment. Now, this Winnie right here, she comes all by herself. She is Winnie Trick or Treat Halloween Witch. She's really cute. So what I did was I just cut out a circle. As you can see, all of this is from the same collection except for this one image. And then you can see I just cut strips of paper, and I just added 3 chocolates to each one. So they're all even though they're simple, you guys, but it's like I said, I don't like repetition, so it's not something that I would like to create 100 of these. Too much work for me. You know, I can go up to 10, but that's about it. So I did a lot of black sponge around the toppers in black. All I did was just cut a piece of paper that measured, I think, 2.5 by 4.25. Folded it in half. Added the scallop circle and a circle, and that was it. That was super easy to make. I don't know if you can tell, but this paper, the designer paper, I did back it up with some black cardstock just to add a little bit more sturdiness. Plus, I got to use my black cardstock because I don't really work with black. Okay, so this was the first packaging idea I thought was cute, but now I really like this other one. So here is the second one. Oh my gosh, I love the way this one came out, you guys. So what this is, it's a tree. Oh my gosh, I don't remember the name. My friend Sandra, she created this. She has a tutorial in her channel. I will link her tutorial in the description box. And by now you should have seen what the name of this project is called, because I don't remember. Something pouch. It's a pouch card or something like that. So you can see all of these goodies that I added inside. So there are some airheads. Oh my gosh, I really love these. These are those balloons that you actually... here are the directions. I would demonstrate one, but I think I only have the 3. So you literally just smack the pack and it literally blows up like crazy. Okay, not like crazy, but it's really cool. Then I added this little notepad, add this candy. All of this is from Dollar Tree. More of those airheads. This is just one of those like that tinsel, and then I just wrapped it around a pen, and I just added it as decoration. This is a ring. I took it off the little ring and just glued it onto there. A pencil. I added one of these glow-in-the-dark sticks, and then some of these pixie sticks. And that is everything. As you can see, you can fit quite a bit in here. So I pretty much almost papered the whole thing. There's the back. And what's really neat about this pouch is that it's a card. So the front, this is like the front of the card, and then you open it up and look at that. So that one says, "You're the cutest little pumpkin on the patch." Super cute. So these are images from that collection. These are the sentiments. You get a lot of sentiments in this collection, and I really love that background paper. Look, it has like spider webs and it has the gate. Really cool. So just a really quick look on the second one. Everything pretty much is the same. Look at that Winnie girl. She's so cute. That one says trick or treat. Then you open this one up. That one says happy Halloween, trick or treat. And I love that she's holding a skull, and you can see the house, the haunted house in the background. And there's the back. And then here is the last one. That one says happy Halloween, join us at midnight. And then you open this up, and there is that Winnie that you can get by herself. She doesn't come in any of the collections. She is by herself. And this one says spooky treats. And then I left this one like this so, you know, I can write a sentiment, but I was supposed to add something white, and looks like I forgot to do that with all of them. So anyway, so here are my packaging ideas, you guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope that this hop has given you some ideas and inspiration on what you can create. And remember, just because we made this in a Halloween theme doesn't mean that your project has to be a Halloween theme. This project right here, my friend Sandra, it was a Christmas themed, and as you can see, I made it into Halloween. Anyways, that is it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed the rest of the hop. Please check the description box for the next person in line, and don't forget to write us a nice comment. Hope you all are having a wonderful day. Bye, everyone.